Alrighty, so here we have a brand new 2022 or 2023, I'll double check right now, GMC Yukon Denali, all in black. We're going to be adding our window film on this truck. We're going to be doing the 15% all the way around. This is the 2023. Yes, brand new. Didn't really change much. Looks nice. Like I said, we're gonna be adding our window tint. It's a little dirty, but we're gonna do our best to clean all that up and add our high performance film here. Let's get into it. All right, so really quick, just want to show you guys what it looks like when we add our 15% on top of the original factory shade. There's ugly me. All right, so we already have our 15% on this window here, and then this is the original smoked glass. So it's not like too crazy dark. I have done limo before, but this is just gonna look nice. All right, another thing that I'm gonna share with you guys. Okay, so we try to get our window film as close as to the edge on every job that we do, without having to file down. If you go with our higher model, our Winco ceramic film, all the edges do get shaved off, or there is a $20 fee per window to have them shaved all the way to the top. But the way I do it, believe me, it always turns out good. Never have any problems.
Roads take me away from you, like a breaking wave on the beach. Secret lives naked in the shore, like a memory, and the passing by as fall.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. So this is the next day. Last night it got a little bit dark on us, so I really couldn't show you the truck because you weren't going to see the real shade on it in the dark. So this morning we're back here at Dee's Garage. I'm going to show you what this 15% all the way around looks like on the brand new GMC Yukon Denali. Typically, I would do windshields a real light shade just to give you that UV protection. But in this case, it was brought to me by my detailer, so I didn't get a chance to talk to the customer or offer them any of our other lines or offer him the windshield tint. We previously did another GMC pickup for him, and they were really happy with the results, so they decided to go with the same deal. All right, so this is what that 15% looks like here. It's not the darkest shade. It's one step lighter than my 4% tint. I always recommend to go a little bit lighter just so they won't mess with you. Because if you go with limo, you might get a fix-a ticket. Out here in California, you're only allowed to have about 75% tint. but 99% of the vehicles I do go dark. All it is a fix-a ticket. Some people don't even care about it. It's better to have tint though, you know, it gives you privacy and helps you out with the heat and all that good stuff. And then on the rears, we went with that 15% as well on top of the original factory shade. We didn't want to go too dark again because then it gets hard to see out at night and all that stuff. So we did the 15 just to darken them up just a bit more all the way around on this truck. Looks really good. It's ready to go. We're just gonna let it sit out in the sun for another hour or so. If there's any touch-ups that we need to do, we're gonna go ahead and address them before the client picks it up. If you guys are interested in any window tint, we are located here in the city of Corona, D's Garage, and we can help you guys out.